Okay, this video is going to show you how to pop the bezel off of a Samsung microwave model 8165STE. There are videos online that show sticking a putty knife in this edge to get the bezel off. The problem with that is you run out of hands. So what I've determined is you can get the knife in there. And by the way, don't try a butter knife. Someone suggested a butter knife. It's too thick. It doesn't fit in here right. Plus you're gonna cut yourself or serrated edge. Once you get it pried open, start at the top or the bottom. Once you get it pried open just a little bit, stick a toothpick in and it'll pinch and it'll stay, and then you can work your way along the edge. Now the top ridge and the bottom ridge, pretty easy to get out. Getting this first corner out is a little more difficult. You can see there's a clip right there, so you really just kind of gently pull out and eventually it will come out, but definitely use a putty knife, not a butter knife.